On the saddle horn, keep him going. It could hurt his mouth. Sit up straight and tall. Okay, look at the corner and ride to it. Attaboy. Send him. Good. Don't go over to Solveig. Stay away from her. There you go. Attaboy. Give him a little slack on the outside rein. Grab at the knot. There you go. Pull, pull, pull. Kick, kick, kick with this foot. Good. Okay, ride right into that corner. Okay, now go to the other gate. Over, rider. Gentle. Kick him. Think about where you want to go. Don't think about those birds. There you go. Make him go. Come on. Use your legs too. Okay, now think about where you're going and send him. Legs, legs, legs. Ride to that point. Attaboy. You got him now. Kick, kick, kick. There. Look where you're going. That's my boy. Oops. There you go. Back to the gate. Look where you're going, though. He's walking forward. You don't need to spank him when he's walking. Easy. Okay, now stop and ask him to back up. Good job.